Here are 5 top tips to stay healthy over Christmas. Eat mindfully to recognise hunger and fullness signals, especially at buffets. Don't overfill your plate and fill up on fruit and veg. Move every day. Try going for regular walks, maybe at lunch or with a friend or family member. Keep active at a gym class or simple things like taking the stairs. Drink responsibly. Alcohol is high in calories. If you choose to drink alcohol, keep within the recommended limits. That's about 6 glasses of wine or 6 pints of beer spread over the week. Stay hydrated. Alcohol can make us dehydrated, but whether you drink or not, even mild dehydration can lead to a headache. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of fluid daily, and remember that tea and coffee also count. Get back on track. Moderation is key. Christmas is a time of celebration, so it's silly to completely deprive yourself. Enjoy festive treats, but get back on track and set realistic goals. Here's how to make a Christmas Tree Graze Board, a perfect healthy choice for over Christmas. Use some reduced fat cheeses, cut into small cubes to help with portion control. Load up on fruit and veg. Cherry tomatoes, grapes, figs and dried apricots all work well. Include healthier fat sources like unsalted nuts and olives. Just be mindful as these tend to be high in calories. Whole wheat crackers provide fibre to help fill us up. Processed meat like salami and Parma ham are high in salt and saturated fat, so try to include some healthier lean meats like leftover turkey too.